today we're going to be continuing our learning on ratios, and we're going to focus on tape diagrams of ratios. And so how do we take a tape diagram and use what we already know about ratio tables to help us solve problems? So let's look at the first question. At a pond there were 24 ducks swimming. The ratio of ducklings to adult ducks is shown in the tape diagram. And so my initial thinking is, if we have a tape diagram, I know I can take that and put it into a ratio table. And I have two types of ducks. I have ducklings and adult ducks. And then I have, of course, total ducks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the ratio looks like there are 5 ducklings to 1 adult ducks for a total of 6 ducks. How many ducklings were at the pond if there were 24 ducks swimming? So that means total. Okay, and so if I were to find an equivalent ratio, I'm saying that my total is 24, so I need to have an equivalent ratio of 6 to 24 throughout. So the relationship here is 24 divided by 6, that is 4. So what I've done is I've divided by 4 to get 24, so that means I can multiply by 4 to find equivalent ratios. 5 times 4 is 20 ducklings, and 1 times 4 is 4 adult ducks. 20 plus 4 gives me my 24 total ducks. So how many ducklings were at the pool, or I'm sorry, not at the pool, at the pond? I look at my column of ducklings and I see that there are 20. Let's do one more. Quincy was stuck inside during an afternoon rainstorm. He spent 20 minutes reading books, 18 minutes eating lunch, 12 minutes watching TV, and 10 minutes drawing. For every 10 minutes Quincy was inside, he spent 3 minutes doing what? All right, so let's look at this. Let's not use a tape diagram here. Let's use a ratio table. And this ratio table is going to be a little bit bigger than most of them. Whoops, let me get my pen here. Because we have quite a bit of categories here. So I'm going to need to really extend this out. And so we have "20 minutes reading books." So let's put books. We have 18 minutes eating lunch, so we'll put eating. We have another column of watching TV. We can just put TV. And then another column for drawing. And then, of course, we have total. And so our ratio for all of this is going to be 20 minutes for reading books, 18 minutes for eating lunch, 12 minutes for watching TV, and 10 minutes for drawing. This gives me a total, let's see, 20 plus 18 is 38, plus 12 is 50, plus 10 is 60 total minutes. For every 10 minutes Quincy was inside, he spent 3 minutes doing what? Let's see. So I almost need to work backwards. I need to simplify this ratio. So if I have 60 total minutes and I'm looking for 10 total minutes, the relationship here is I've divided by 6. Right? So 60 divided by 6 is 10, so that means I'd have to divide everything in my table by 6. 20 divided by 6, well, for right now, let's say 26, right? 20 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 10 divided by 6, let's just say, is 10/6. Okay? So to answer this question, for every 10 minutes Quincy was inside, he spent 3 minutes. It looks like he spent 3 minutes. That's where my 3 is, so 3 minutes. Looks like he was eating lunch, right? So we'll go ahead and mark eating lunch. And that's how we use tape diagrams and ratio tables to help us solve like those part-to-whole ratios that we see. I'm done being the teacher in here. Now you go be the teacher out there. Thanks for watching.